Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the corner to corner half double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the half double crochet stitch, and the half double crochet decrease. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. To start row 1, make 3 chains. Into the chain farthest away from your hook, you're going to make 2 half double crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 2 half double crochet. Make 1 half double crochet into the next stitch or the last stitch of this row. And then into this chain at the end of your row, make 2 half double crochet. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start our increase row, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 2 half double crochet. Make 1 half double crochet into each stitch across until you reach the last stitch of your row. As your square gets bigger, you'll have more stitches in between here. Right now, I only have the 3. I have reached the last stitch of my row. Into that last stitch, make 2 half double crochet. And that's how our increase row is looking. You would now continue to make increase rows for how wide you want your square. I'm going to continue on and come back when I'm ready to make my transition row. I ended up making 10 increase rows total, and I'm ready to make my transition row. To start your transition row, make 2 chains. We're going to make a half double crochet decrease over the first 2 stitches. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the first stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through all of the loops on your hook to create that decrease. I'm now going to make 1 half double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how our transition row is looking. To start our decrease row, make 2 chains. So we're again going to make that half double crochet decrease into the first 2 stitches. You're now going to make 1 half double crochet into each stitch across until you reach the last 2 stitches of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches left. Make that half double crochet decrease into those 2 stitches to complete this row. And that's how our decrease row is looking. You're now going to continue to make decrease rows until you reach the last row of your square. I'm going to continue on and come back when I'm ready for my last row. To start our last row, make 2 chains. You'll know it's your last row when you have 4 stitches left. Into the first 2 stitches, you're going to make that half double crochet decrease. And then into the last 2 stitches, you're going to make that half double crochet decrease. Now you can leave it how I ended on our last row, but what I like to do is make a chain, turn your work, skip this stitch into this one right here, slip stitch, to complete my square. And that's going to be how to make the corner to corner half double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.